get ready with me to go to my friend's wedding. Of course, I had to pack my Polaroid camera and the photo, I don't know, printed paper. The wedding was in Austria in a very, very nice hotel. This is the room, very cozy, very lovely. I had to start by a shower and then I applied this cuddly body oil. It makes my skin glow. My dress is a little short, so I needed such a moisturization. So that's what I started with. Of course, we were going to start by brushing our hair. This is my Tangle Teaser. I was planning to try the color Wow for the first time in order for the humidity not to affect my hair. So there was expected rain on that day, so I wanted to make sure that I am ready. So I went on and applied the rules like it was shown on TikTok. As you see, I'm doing this in the bathroom because it was the best place with this like light. I am using a gum to make me less nervous, which is not ladylike, but anyways. And I am using my Dyson Airwrap to straighten the hair. I sectioned my hair and that is how it looks. I'm going for a straighter look. That's how that is. And now for the bangs. I am not so good at doing my hair, but you know what? Yeah, I was running out of time, so I had to be very, very quick. I'm trying to roll the hair into the top part so that it stays voluminous and I can then move on and do my makeup. My friend's wedding is in Austria and we actually drove on that day. But yeah, I failed at the end of the day to put it up, so I put it to the sides. As you can see, this is a very, very natural video. Like, I am not even following anything. I'm really trying to show you. I started by adding this milk primer to my face. I like a natural base, so I like products that look like that. I bought this as a trial. I think I didn't buy it. It came in the advent calendar of last year. That's why I love advent calendar in general, because you can try all the products. But yeah, afterwards it was finishing, so it took time to finish it all. I put the foundation. This is the Giorgio Armani foundation. I love this. It looks very natural all day. I use this Beauty Blender dupe from Amazon and age rewind the pink shade from my under eyes to make them brighter. And I used RMS concealer to conceal pimples or discoloration on my face. And I tried to do my brows with this Anastasia Beverly Hills gel. And I usually focus on the edges and fill the front and brush it out. Then I went on with the eyebrow gel from NYX. Mine is almost finishing, but I like it, and I make sure to wipe off the excess on the edge. Afterwards, I blended my concealer, and then I put on some baking powder from Huda Beauty. This is a brown liner, and I saw this in a tutorial on Pinterest. I tried to make a wing and then draw this cut crease. I tried to do my eyeshadow while I have open eyes. I learned the hard way that this is the best way to follow your eye shape without messing it up. I didn't know at a time if I had hooded eye or not, so that was the best way to know. Blend, 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 and I try to do both sides at once so that I don't forget one of the steps, and I match the steps on both sides. So yeah. Blend, blend, blend. Again, using some colors. This is actually Huda Beauty Melted eyeshadow. I'm using some of the shades from this. It has also a shimmering shade and a matte shade. I keep adding colors also from the MAC. I'm not a makeup artist, but I just want to show you what I was doing to get the look. This is a Natasha Denona palette. I am using this to add the shimmer color. I got this also in the advent calendar and I fell in love with the shades. They make my eye color pop, and that is really special because I have amber eyes. Oh, my husband is speaking through, asking me how long I have. So I need to be fast. This is Fenty Beauty bronzer, contour stick, and I'm contouring a little bit. I'm really winging it here. I only know one or two looks and I keep repeating them in every event. Blend, blend, blend. This is a drugstore brush, nothing special. It's from DM here at German drugstore. And I try to blend. I then try to apply liquid blush. This is from Benefit Benetint. And then on top of it, I add the powder blush. This is the one from Dior in a pinkish shade, and I try to take this on the apple of my cheeks upwards, but also to give me like a little bit of a tanned look. This is a brown liner to top it off, to line my eyes. I will also attempt applying fake lashes, but I suck at this. This is actually like the second time ever I try. There was a third time, but I failed and I skipped it. But yeah, I'm applying the lashes and looking stupido. But anyways, now I apply the mascara on top of that. I apply the lip injection from Too Faced to plump my lips, and while this is cooking, I will apply my highlighter to highlight my face. And yeah, I'm liking the look a lot. This is my lip liner from NYX suede line. I love this one, and I like to overline a little bit my lips from the Cupid bows side because I don't like it very pointy, so I round it up a little bit. And this is actually Kylie Jenner lip color in, I don't remember the shade name, but yeah, Charlotte Tilbury fixing spray, and actually we're good to go. Now this is the dress on, my hair, my makeup. I'm super excited. I need to pick like my jewelry. I will wear this Shein bought watch. I have to tell you the amount of people that thought that this is a real Cartier watch. I'm gonna wear my tennis diamond bracelet, my mom's wedding ring. You know, my mom gave me the wedding ring that my dad gave her. Will wear my YSL bag. These are I think zircon earrings, and this bag was my anniversary gift from my husband. Take with you, of course, the lip color and the shoes. I'm gonna wear my wedding shoes, which is the Manolos that I had, and that's it. Oh, and you have to wear something like this to protect your feet. Bye bye.